So eto mga kapamilya, nagbabalik pa rin po ang Salamat Doc. Eto, gagawin na po natin ang procedure. Naka-gloves na ako dahil ako ang assistant. Doc, take it away.
Okay, so we are injecting radius. This is what I told you to do when you go to any doctor's office. You ask for the box.
Okay.
And you make sure that they take it out of the box. So you make sure that it's the real thing. So this is the radius. And this is the very sterile place. And we take out the... This is the radius. You can see it's medyo milky ang kulay. This is what I call parang fake bone, calcium hydroxyapatite. So mas malapot po siya kaysa the other thing ng mga Perlane Restylane. Kaya naglalast po siya ng 1.5 years to 2 years. So gagawin na po natin si Joey, who is so nervous, hopefully.
Ako ang assistant dito
sige.
ako.
Dito na tayo sa side kasi yung camera ay nandyan. Teka muna ha. Okay.
Pabilis lang to, instant.
back ng konti.
Instant nose lift daw.
Okay, so you inject. So I'm injecting the radius and then I'm forming it. Kasi one thing about radius, you can make it. So you can see, tumaas na ng konti ang bridge. We have to continue downward para it will blend with her nose. Yan. And then you massage. You can only do the massaging for the first 2 days to form it the way you really want.
Wow,
It has to kind of go to her forehead.
Tumataas na,
Exactly.
nakakalaman na.
Yun. I have to go to the other side. I'm sorry. Pwede ba lumipat
Sige,
ang camera?
palit tayo.
Para balanse naman tayo. Kung hindi, puro na lang nasa left side. Okay. Ay, sorry. Parang medyo masyado ang ating hair. Are you okay, Joey?
I don't feel anything.
Okay, great.
O, dahil nag-anesthesia kami kanina, wala naman maramdaman si Joey.
So as you can see, it's a painless procedure. It's only taking... How many minutes na tayo? Dapat tiniming natin di ba?
Ay, may bridge na!
Can I see, Can you face
Yes.
down? Chin down. Oh, di ba? But you can see that may bridge na po siya, pero I'd like to inject a little more here so that it's not... Kasi paakyat masyado yung kanyang... We call this a ski slope nose.
Okay.
It goes shung up. So we'll just go a little lower,
Yung
ha?
kaninang flat na flat, ngayon ay meron na. Mabilis lang. Di ba mga kapamilya?
Yes, this is gonna take... This is it already. This is my last touch.
Last na daw ito. Mamaya new Joey na ang ating makikita.
Okay, this is it.
Excited ka na ba?
Okay,
O,
can you
Lika,
try? Okay, up.
tingnan natin ang side view. Siyempre, konting may blood ng konti. Kasi
Well,
in-injection namin. Natural.
Okay. You can
Ayan.
see?
Wow!
Oh, meron na siyang bridge, di ba?
Instant.
And that will last her for about 2 years. Kasi the nose doesn't move that much. Just don't make so much kalikot. And it will
Wonderful.
last. I might touch up a little. Meron pa tayo, hindi pa naubos. So maybe I'll put again later.
Mamaya
Ngayon, I want to
tutuloy
stop
natin.
because she's starting to get swollen.
Okay.
So we're going to, dapat usually 2 times. Once after, another time 1 week later with her sobra. Kasi ngayon nagsiswell na siya. So it won't look any more normal. I won't be able to tell anymore my
Normal naman yung
anatomical-
swelling.
Normal, of course, because you're injecting. Actually, this will go down in about 2 hours. If we have an ice ball, which we usually do.
bilis. Oo.
Okay, how was it, Joey?
Then I don't feel anything.
Okay, well now you're going to see that it's swelling up, so it's gonna know.
Punasan ko lang, ha? O, mga kapamilya,
That's
instant, ha? Ano, Papa Beauty on Air, nose lift na instant. What can I say? Magbabalik pa rin po ang Salamat, Doc. Happy ka sa iyong nose?
Wala ba tayong ice ball? Puro kulang talaga dito.
Here.